Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to Saturday Happening. Today is July the 24th. Yeah, it's the 24th. And I like to take the Saturday and kind of reflect on what happened last week and what my plans are for this week that you might be interested in. First of all, last week was kind of cool because last week was the beginning of the county fair. I did a video about the fair and about judging and everything. Realized in that video that I did not do anything about the floral or any of the animals or something. So today I have to go back over. I'm working our booth from 2:30 to 7, which is the same thing I did on Tuesday. Monday was judging, Saturday and Sunday was bringing in entries. But I'm going to go back over the fair and I'll do another video today of the floral, which I wish I'd have done it the first day because the floral arrangements would have been probably fresher and prettier. But we'll get there and we'll do some animals. And I understand I didn't even go over to the animal barns yet, but I understand there's not as many this year. So I'm interested to go check that out. But last week, so I was off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I worked Thursday and Friday. But cool, I went and got my eyes checked on, like, you don't care about this, but I think it's weird. I went and got my eyes checked on Wednesday, and evidently my eyes are better. Like, they've progressively gotten better as I've gotten older. So I don't even need the super far distance anymore. Isn't that weird? Which is cool because I have all kinds of different glasses. I like wearing glasses, but this is why evidently I spend most of the time with my glasses on my head, is because I don't need them for distance anymore. So weird. Anyway, so that's cool, but I got some fun glasses. I'll have to show you. They're clear, but they have these frames that snap on that you can do all different kind of looks. So when I get those, I'll show them to you. But beside the point, that's not what my channel's about. Anyway, earlier this week, I did the video on the dehydrated oranges. Those are so cool. And I love the interest that you guys have in things like using them for holiday decorations or, you know, using them on a wreath. You don't have to just eat the dehydrated things, especially things like citrus and apple. They make great additions to things like garland on Christmas trees and things like that. So that's cool. Also, tomorrow, I do not usually put a video up for Sundays. Like, sometimes I will or sometimes I won't, but there's no rule. It's just because I happen to have one. But I intentionally made a video for tomorrow, and you got to watch it. You got to watch it because the dehydrated oranges and the video for tomorrow that I created another dehydrated things, which might surprise you. It's so cool. Those two videos, the product from those two videos is what you will see on Monday in the Christmas in July collaboration video, my second video, because it's really cool. And actually, I made this because I made the video for Monday and I took the product to work and everybody was like, are you kidding? This is so cool. So you're going to want to watch the dehydrated oranges and the video tomorrow. And then check out what happens with those things on Monday in the Christmas in July collaboration. See, I have my notes. I don't want to forget. So that's cool. Then I got to looking. I actually have another collaboration coming up for August, which is jams I'm participating in. I love these collaborations because it pulls a whole bunch of people together. It gives us exposure and it helps us just to be more creative too. So I have to make 2 jams for that. And I've got 2 great recipes, and I intentionally took those recipes out of the complete guide for home canning, which is on the National Center for Home Food Preservation website. I'll put a link to that so that you know for a fact those are approved recipes and you have access to them. Because if you have access to YouTube, I'm going to assume you have access to other online things, and this would be a safe online thing for you to use. So that's coming up. But in my looking around, and also over on Instagram, I follow Ball, you know, for canning things. They posted a recipe yesterday that I saw and thought, yes, I need to do this. And it's for candied jalapenos. So today, I'm going to make sure I get some jalapenos, and I'm going to do candied jalapenos. That recipe looked phenomenal. So I'm excited about that because that's another awesome approved recipe that I can make coming up. The other thing, I was looking through the old Make a Mix cookery book, and I have the quick mix. And if you don't have the quick mix, if you didn't do that or you didn't make any, that's fine. You can use Bisquick for this or the Krusteaz mix or whatever. You can use different mixes. But there's a recipe. Look at this. Now I need my glasses because this is close. Okay, here. I'm going to do the tuna cheese swirls. I've done this before. It's really yummy. So I'm going to make that. So I'll do a video of that. And I got my super cool Simply Earth Essential Oils monthly subscription. And this month, oh, my hair. This month is a very cool box. And it has, ooh, it's got this new inhaler. Woohoo, it's going to make an inhaler. It's got lavender hydrosol. That stuff's amazing. It's got some natural lotion base. And they give you these things to try things. And then if you like them, you can, buy a larger amount. Hospitality diffuser blend, lavender hydrosol, everything spray, a self-care lotion, a road trip roll-on. Like, I'm going to need that. Home Body carpet powder. You guys know I like to use the essential oils in carpet powder to freshen your carpet, so that's a good one. And then the Mama Inhaler, and I'm interested in this new blend that they came out with, which is called Home Body, and it has Howood, Amorous, Copaiba, Vetiver essential oils are in there. I know what Copaiba is. For some reason, I just couldn't say that today. Spearmint, cedarwood, and grapefruit is what's in this box. So I will do a couple of essential oil things, and that's about it for me. And oh, hey, thank you guys for watching and making such nice comments on this project. That was a lot of fun. Love the collaborations. They're just cool. So I'm going to say that's it. That's my Saturday. And I'm going to get this posted and get on the road over to the fair. It takes me about 45 minutes to get over there. But I got some good things planned this week. And if you're new here, welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate that so much. But if you guys would take a moment and just hit that like button down there, give me a little thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. It's fun. Hit the little bell and you'll know the next time I post stuff. And evidently, I've got a list. There's going to be some good videos coming up. So that's it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.